Good afternoon, fellow humans. I'm on a bridge overlooking a beautiful city of life. This bridge is technically abandoned, so I am trespassing, and a train is on the way, so this ought to be good. Do you see this death drop? Do you see what I'm dealing with? Conductor's probably looking at me. I'm off the bridge. There's the chain. Whoa. He didn't seem too happy. I'm an outlaw. If you're recording yourself, then people don't really bother. Because they think I'm talking to other people, but I'm just talking to myself. Oh, I almost died. Death almost came to me. Not today. I shall remain vigilant on the edge of disaster. Anyways, that's about it. Just a train and some douchebag with the hood on. You don't want to be douchebag, baby. I don't know why you have like these fake French accents sometimes. Probably because I'm doing parkour. De la parkour obstacles. I might look crazy, but right now I'm in the hospital.